Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile. This feature is very useful if you want to increase your privacy and make sure that only your friends can see your full-size profile picture, posts, and other personal details. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the menu option. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll again until you find the option called Profile Locking. Tap on it, and then select Lock Your Profile. Once you confirm, your Facebook profile will be locked immediately. And that's it. You've now locked your Facebook profile and increased your account's privacy. From now on, only your friends will be able to see your detailed information, giving you more control over who views your content. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and privacy guides.